Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. In this video we are going to make a beautiful artwork. So take this tissue paper, fold it like this and start twisting it and rolling it. Look how we are doing here. Flip it and then start the same process of twisting the paper. Hold it from one end and twist it and start rolling it, and you will get a beautiful rose flower. Look, it's done. After this we are going to make this material. Look, you can make it using the tissue paper, or you can also use plaster of Paris and make this beautiful design on the canvas. Look how we are doing here, and look, it's done. And look at the beautiful design. Then we are going to make more such rose flowers and paste all of them on it like this using hot glue gun. You can also color it pink like we are doing here using a brush, and you can also add more details like we are pasting pearls in the center or in between them like this. And look, your artwork is ready. Add more details like this, and look how pretty this is looking. Let's make this beautiful heart-shaped decor for your home. For that we are going to take this tissue paper, fold it, and we are going to start rolling the tissue paper like this. Look how we are doing here. Hold it from one end and twist it and start rolling it, and you will get a beautiful rose flower. Look, it is almost ready now. At the end, tie it using a rubber band or thread. Then we are going to paste all the flowers one after another on this canvas using hot glue gun. We are pasting them in heart shape like this, and look, it is done. You can add more flowers like this at the center and fill the heart like this. Then you can also use a spray paint, or if you don't have spray paint then you can also use powder like this and spread it using brush. And look, it's done. You can also use paint and brush. Then we are going to put all these pearl in between like this for more decoration, and look, it is done. And how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.